Okay, so we are back and the Polo is going to its first car show. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're back on the Polo content today and I'm going to give you a couple of good reasons why we're doing it. So the first reason is I absolutely love this car, I want to work on it and I want to take it to a show. It's bank holiday weekend and that is a pretty cool car to be able to drive around with. Not to mention it was my first car as well. Secondly, it is the car that started this channel and I know I've been neglecting it a little bit. There haven't been many sort of episodes and content on it recently, so today we're going to fix that. And thirdly, you guys are the third reason. I've been bombarded with messages on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube saying, where's the Polo content? What are you doing with the Polo? And to be honest, the truth is, the Polo episodes don't go down as well, nowhere near as well. They don't get anywhere near as much sort of attention, as many views, as many comments, so it's one of those, I've got to choose sort of what's right for the channel, what most people care about. So if you are bothered about the Polo episodes and you do want to see more stuff on this car, you know what to do and it's completely free. Make sure you're subscribed. Loads of people that watch this channel are not subscribed. Make sure that you're giving the video a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, it all helps, and yeah, just get involved really. Anyway, enough of that, let's get to it. We've got some work to do with the Polo. I've got 2 new bumpers for it, I've got a new dashboard to go in at some point, I've got the roof trims that go across here, I've got some of those to put on today, and most importantly, we're taking it to a car show, a bank holiday Monday, and the wheels need balancing, okay? They need balancing and they need some foil tape putting over it to stop the weights coming off. So first thing we're going to do is going to jack this up, we're going to get it on all 4 axle stands or pieces of wood or whatever I can find, get the wheels off and take them to get balanced. So let's get to it. Now, as with any low car, it's not so simple to jack this up, so we're going to need to get a load of bits of wood, basically get it a little bit higher, and then we should be able to get the jack under. Okay, so there we go, the car is in the air, enough for me to get the wheels off. Obviously this is not how to jack a car at all, this is definitely not safe, but I'm not going to be going underneath the car. There is some axle stands you can see just to sort of support it a little bit, but yeah, like I said, I'm not going under it. These wheels are coming off for probably an hour, maybe 2, and then going back on, so I just need to get it in the air. I don't have anywhere better to do this unfortunately, so that is how it is. Make sure you click subscribe so I can get a unit with a ramp and then I can do this all properly, but until then, this is how it's been done. And if you do want to see what everything looks like after probably driving 30 miles, this is it. Everything here was brand new. Hubs were new, bearings were new, discs were new, all brakes were new, all the suspension was new, all the steering arms were new. It just looks like it's been on there for absolutely years, but it is what it is. It's performing how it should, so that's the main thing. Okay, so that is all the wheels off the car. You can see them here. We'll get these loaded up into the back of here and we shall go get them balanced. And there we go, all sorted, ready for balancing.
A few moments later.
And the wheels have been done, so we've got them all back now, all freshly balanced. You can see there, not that many weights on that, so hopefully we're game on. So we're going to quickly get them back on the car. But first, what I'm going to do while the wheels are off is I've got the new bumpers to go on. So I'm going to get the new bumpers out of the unit, give them a quick clean up. Obviously they needed the red stripe putting on, so we'll do that. We'll clean them up, let them dry in the sun, and then change them over and get the gutter trims on. And then obviously the whole car needs a good clean before it goes to its show on Bank Holiday Monday. So let's get to it. So in case you're wondering why I'm changing this bumper, as you can see, it's got some sort of white stuff all along the front of the bumper, which, you know, every photo I take of the car, it's just so obvious and it's really annoying me. So we're going to get the new one on. I think that's like old dried up boiled linseed oil. You can see it sort of scratches off, but that is the only way that you can get it off, and I'm not going to scratch a full bumper with my nail. And also it has got a couple of scratches just there. There's a big scratch all the way down, so hopefully the new one's going to be much better. So I'll cut to cleaning the new one. I'll just time lapse it because nobody's bothered about me cleaning the bumper, and then hopefully we'll get it back on and all sorted, ready for Sunday. Let's go. Right, so that is both the bumpers washed up. I'm going to leave it there, leave them to dry. Meanwhile, I'm going to go try stick the roof rails on. I think they've got a little bit of silicone still left in them. So yeah, I'm going to try clean all that out. Tiny little blobs of silicone, see if I can stick them on. And while the weather's still nice, hopefully that'll set them. I'll come back to these tomorrow. We'll obviously get the red pinstripe on and then get them fitted to the car. Give the car a clean and we should be good to go. So yeah, fingers crossed. Okay, right, so I've cleaned out the roof gutters. Hopefully, I'll see how they stick on, see if they need a bit of silicone, because the last thing I want is these flying off down the road. It is hard enough to find a pair of these that is sort of not cracked or anything. These are literally perfect condition, so I want to keep them that way. It certainly looks a lot better. I'll show you this side. Obviously that was just bare metal before, as you can see. A bit of a scratch out, which is annoying, but yeah, that certainly looks a lot better. Okay, so I think I'm going to leave it there for today. I've ended up with a lot more footage than I initially planned, and I've got really carried away with what I've decided that I'm going to do to the Polo over this sort of mini series. So yeah, if you are enjoying this little mini series back on the Polo, getting it ready for a show, tidying it up a bit, making it just look nice again, make sure you are subscribed, make sure you're giving us a thumbs up, make sure you're watching all the adverts and watching the videos till the end, and if you already are, big thank you to every one of you. So yeah, we will pick this up in the next episode. Peace.